Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you the concept of Johari window. This is a very famous concept used for understanding the personalities of the individuals in the organization also, because this concept actually tells the concept of what the personality traits of an individual is known to oneself and some traits which are not known. So both of the traits are being considered in this concept. So the Johari window model was being developed by the psychologist Joseph Louf and Harrington Ingham to help individuals basically to understand themselves as well as the others in the organization to improve the interpersonal communication and relationships. So you can say this is a visual representation. Visually you can see the difference in the four quadrants which basically categorize the information about a person that is either known or unknown to themselves and the others. So this is the concept of Johari window. It is basic a concept. So these are the four quadrants. Firstly, I show you the quadrants. So these are the four quadrants of your Johari window. The first quadrant, that is the open quadrant, that is known to self and known to others. So these are the qualities of an individual known to self and known to others as well. So that means they are open, known to both. In the blind spot, there are the category of the individual's personality that is not known to self but known to others. So this is a kind of a personality trait that you are hidden of and you are unaware, but others see the potential in you. Hidden quadrants tell you known to self, but the trait of your personality you have not known to others, because you may hiding that personality trait because of any reason that can be in the organization. And the unknown quadrant tell you not known to self and not known to others. So these are the personality traits. Maybe you do not get the time to explore that personality trait, that may be the reason. So these are the quadrants of the Johari window. So if you talk about the four quadrant, the open quadrant, the free area is the information known to self and the others. So the area of free activity includes public history, behavior, skills and attitude that everyone shares. The blind area is the information that is known to others but not known to self. So these includes the behavior tendency traits that are noticed by others but you are consciously perceived by the person. Hidden quadrants are the quadrants which is not known, not shared with others but known